AI tools are everywhere, but what do they actually do? In this video, we'll break down every type of AI tool in the simplest way possible, with quick examples you can understand right away. Chatbots. Chatbot is an AI tool that you can talk to like a real person. You type a question or message, and it responds with an answer instantly. It works by being trained on large amounts of text, so it learns how humans write and communicate. For example, you ask, "How does gravity work?" and it explains it in an easy-to-understand way within seconds. Examples of chatbots are ChatGPT, Google Gemini, Claude, and Microsoft Copilot. These tools are used for getting quick answers to questions, writing essays, scripts, or emails, learning new topics, and helping customers in websites or apps. In short, chatbots are like smart assistants you can talk to anytime for information, writing help, or problem solving. Image generators. An image generator is an AI tool that creates pictures based on text you type. You simply describe what you want, and it turns your words into a visual image. For example, you type, "a cat wearing sunglasses on the beach," and it generates that exact scene as an image. These tools are trained on millions of images and their descriptions, so they learn how words connect to shapes, colors, objects, and styles. Examples of image generators are DALL-E, Midjourney, Stable Diffusion, Leonardo AI, and Adobe Firefly. These image generators are used for creating YouTube thumbnails, graphic design ideas, marketing and ads, and creative personal projects. In short, image generators turn your imagination into pictures using AI, even if you can't draw. Voice generators. A voice generator is an AI tool that converts written text into spoken audio. For example, you input a script like, "Welcome to my channel," and it speaks it back as realistic audio narration.
Welcome to my channel.
These tools are trained using real human voice recordings, allowing them to copy tone, emotion, pacing, and pronunciation so the speech sounds natural. Examples of voice generators are 11 Labs, Muff AI, PlayHT, Resemble AI, and Descript. People use voice generators for YouTube voiceovers and narration, audiobooks, online videos and presentations, and accessibility tools for reading text aloud. Video generators. A video generator is an AI tool that creates videos from text, images, or scripts. For example, you write, "a futuristic city with flying cars at night," and it generates a short video showing that scene. Examples of video generators are Runway ML, Pika Labs, Synthesia, and HeyGen. What people use video generators for: explainer videos, advertisements, tutorials and educational content, social media videos, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Reels. In short, video generators turn your ideas or scripts into moving visuals, making video creation faster and easier even without filming equipment. Writing assistants. A writing assistant is an AI tool that helps you write better and faster. For example, you write, "I go store yesterday buy food," and it corrects it to, "I went to the store yesterday to buy food." Examples of writing assistants are ChatGPT, Claude, Grammarly, Jasper, Notion AI, and Copy.ai. These tools are used for writing emails, creating blog posts and articles, making scripts for videos, and improving grammar and sentence structure. In short, writing assistants act like a smart editor that helps you express your ideas more clearly and professionally. Code generators. A code generator is an AI tool that can write, explain, and improve programming code. You describe what you want to build, and it generates the code for you in different programming languages. For example, You say, create a login form in HTML, and it generates the full working code for it. Examples of code generators are GitHub Copilot, Cursor, Claude Code, Amazon Code Whisperer, Replit AI, and Tab9. These code generators are used for building websites and mobile apps, debugging and fixing errors, learning how to code, and generating boilerplate or repetitive code. In short, code generators act like a programming assistant that helps you write code faster and understand it more easily. Automation tools. An automation tool is an AI-powered system that performs repetitive tasks automatically, so you don't have to do them manually. It can connect different apps and run workflows based on triggers or conditions. Examples of automation tools are Zapier, Make, N8N, UiPath. These automation tools are used for automating business workflows, sending emails or notifications automatically, managing files and tasks, and reducing manual and repetitive work. In short, automation tools act like a digital assistant that connects apps and handles tasks automatically so you can focus on more important work. Data analysis tools. A data analysis tool is an AI system that helps you understand large amounts of data by turning it into clear insights, trends, and patterns. Examples of data analysis tools are Tableau, Microsoft Power BI, Apache Spark, and IBM Watson Analytics. These tools are used for making business decisions, tracking performance, finding trends and patterns, and creating reports and dashboards. In short, data analysis tools help turn raw data into useful information that you can actually understand and use. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more simple tech and AI explanations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.